I assume that every part has a flatness spec, so how do you check it for permanent mold?
Well, flatness is defined as the variation between two parallel planes.
Okay.
So this is the variation that can be expected in a permanent mold casting. Now, the good news is that the tolerances for permanent mold castings all across the board are really tight compared to many other casting processes.
Okay.
You don't get the tolerances that we talked about for position and concentricity and our flatness. You won't get that out of perhaps a sand casting process or some other casting processes, but the permanent mold process using steel molds is capable of very, very high tolerance parts, as you can see with this flatness of 0 to 6 inch size parts. It's flat within 20 thousandths of an inch coming out of the mold, and then you add the 2 thousandths for each additional inch, and there are some examples shown there.